Alright guys, so in this video we are going to taste test and review some Asian fruit. So I have some pickled mango, which sounds a little weird. Rambutan, I do not know if I said that right. And lychee, or lychee. I've heard it pronounced both ways. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, so I think it's lychee. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna do the pickled mango last, because that, I'm not so sure about that. We'll go ahead and start with the lychee. So this is from 3 Deer brand, lychee and heavy syrup. This is 20 ounces, 1 pound and 4 ounces. Ingredients is water, lychee, sugar, and citric acid. So there's 4 servings per container. A serving size is half a cup. There's 100 calories per serving. 0 fat, 0 milligrams of cholesterol, 0 milligrams of sodium. There's 26 of carbohydrates, 1 gram of fiber, 20 grams of sugar, or no, 25 grams of sugar, sorry. 0 grams of protein. And this is a product of China. And this has an easy pull tab, so we're just going to go ahead and pull this open. This smells really good. It has a very sweet smell. I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like. So this is what they look like. Alright, so I have a fork here, and we're just going to go ahead and grab one. They don't look very appetizing, I will say that. They do smell good, though. These are really good. They're kind of hard to describe. I'm not sure how to describe the flavor. So they are very sweet. There is a lot of sugar in this though, and it does say it's heavy syrup. So I'm sure probably a lot of that sweetness comes from the added sugar in the syrups. Yeah, so I really don't know how to describe this, besides the fact that it is a sweet fruit, and it is pretty good. The texture is not weird or anything. I would give these, honestly, a 6, maybe a 7 out of 10. I really enjoy these. So next we'll go ahead and we will try the Rambutan. I don't know how to pronounce that. These look a little weird. I have a feeling they're going to look just like the lychee, with the, just being white little balls. So this is Chef's Choice brand. Nutrition facts, there's 4 servings per container. Serving size is 5 ounces. There's 120 calories per serving, 0 fat, 0 cholesterol, 10 milligrams of sodium, 30 grams of carbohydrate, 1 gram of fiber, 25 grams of sugar, and 0 grams of protein. And this says in syrup, it doesn't say heavy syrup. And let's see, this is a product of Thailand. Also, it says add it on a variety of desserts and beverages, smoothies, ice cream, pudding, fruit cocktail. Store on a cool, dry place. Refrigerate after opening. So let's go ahead and crack this one open. I did get all these at the Asian market, and I believe these were about $4 a can, and the pickled mango was like $2. Yeah, so these look pretty close to the lychee. This is not wanting to come open. So I'm just going to leave it like that. I don't want to cut myself. I don't like the smell of these. These don't smell very good. I'll go ahead and show you what they look like before I grab one. So this is what the Rambutans, whatever you want to call them. That's what they look like. Back to the lychees. So pretty similar. Alright, let's go ahead and grab one of these and try these. I'm not so sure I'm going to like these. These look kind of weird. They don't smell good, so. But I do like a lot of fruit, so we'll see what happens. I think you can tell by my face what I am gonna give it a second chance, but I don't think I like these. The texture is a little weird. It kind of tastes like skin, like, not, that sounds weird, but like the skin of a fruit, or the skin of, you know, like food, like, it has a weird texture. Ooh. Ew, ew, ew. That one's worse. What the fuck? No. I don't know how to describe the flavor of these either. They are sweet, but they have a weird, almost rotten taste to them. And they're not expired. They don't expire until 2027. But these are not for me. I don't like these at all. I'm going to give these a 2 out of 10, and that's being generous. I don't like these at all. The lychees are good, though. So, I'm going to move this out of the way. These, is this like vinegar and mango? Because that sounds kind of gross. Because pickled, you know, usually. So, these are rich and pickled mango slice, the best premium product from Thailand. There's 16 ounces net weight. Drain weight is 8 ounces. Keep refrigerated after opening. Warning, consuming this product can expose you to chemicals including lead. Oh, that's cool. Which are known for the state of California to cause cancers and birth defects. Okay. So we have 3 servings per container. Serving size is 3 pieces. There's 100 calories in this, or 100 calories per 3 pieces. 0 fat, 0 cholesterol, 920 milligrams of sodium. So that's really up there. 25 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber, and 8 grams of sugar, 0 grams of protein. Ingredients: mango, water, sugar, salt, citric acid, and then yellow number 5 and some other stuff, preservatives and stuff. So we'll go ahead and see if we can get this open. Has a little peel safety seal on there. Let's open this up. Oh, this is really full to the top of liquid. Ew. Ew. That doesn't smell good. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a fork because there's just so much liquid in this. Oh. And these are hard. I'm not a big fan of hard fruit. I prefer like soft and juicy and... Okay, well, that's not working for me. Alright, so we have a big slice of mango in this pickled juice. I'm kind of scared to eat this, honestly. Let's go for it, though.
A few moments later.
Oh. Oh, fuck. Okay. I kind of figured I wouldn't like this. I just thought it was kind of interesting when I was in the Asian market. I was like, hey, pickled mango, what? I like, oh God. I like mangoes, but, okay. So I feel like I should take another bite, but I don't think I can. Here's my first issue with this. It's fucking hard. The texture is bad. Like, it's just very firm, and it kind of feels like cardboard almost, honestly. Like, the texture is terrible. So, I will not be putting this back in my mouth. What? And no more. We're done with that. Oh. So you get the mango's there. Obviously, it is a mango. But that vinegar, the pickled, and I don't know if it's vinegar because it just says water, sugar, salt, citric acid. But that, whatever that brine is, whatever that juice is that's inside of this, it doesn't taste good. It has like this sour, which I mean, I guess pickled stuff typically has like a little bit of a sour, profile to it. But it has like this weird sour, sweet, salty flavor. And there's a lot of salt in this, so. And then, like, I think the biggest problem for me, though, it's not even the flavor. I mean, the flavor's bad. That's the reason I spit it out, was the flavor. But it's also that texture. And I'm not a big texture person. Like, textures don't bother me typically. But these are, like, really hard and just cardboardy, honestly. This it's a 0. 0 out of 10, fucking negative 1 million out of 10. This is, like, one of the worst things I've ever had in my life. I'm sorry if you like these. These are not. If you ever go to an Asian market and see these or anywhere in the store, I would not suggest picking these up. At least not this brand. Maybe there's more brands that are better. They have juicier fruit that doesn't taste like cardboard. But yeah, this is a no-go. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys liked the review. I'll be posting more content soon. Subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff, and I'll see you soon.